So looking back since 2016, Microsoft has done an excellent job increasing its revenue from 91 billion to 282 billion, tripling in that time. That's good for a compounded annual growth rate of 13.8%. Microsoft operates across several categories, including the personal computing industry, where it sells licenses to its Windows operating system. It also sells subscriptions to its Microsoft Office suite, including Word and Microsoft Excel. That part of the business is accelerating as the company is incorporating artificial intelligence into its Microsoft Work suite that's increasing the average revenue per user. The management team expects that will increase at roughly 15% over the next several quarters and perhaps even more. The company is reporting some phenomenal statistics in customer usage and adoption in its artificial intelligence in Microsoft Copilot, incorporating it into the existing work suite. So all of that is extremely beneficial for Microsoft. And then the cloud services segment. This segment is seeing its revenue backlog grow to the hundreds of billions of dollars. So the next metric I wanted to consider is the returns on invested capital. And I've highlighted that for the hyperscalers like Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta platforms. This number is crucially important because they're spending so much money on capital expenditure on building those data centers optimized for AI. You want to measure the company, you want to look at their history to see if the management team has been effective allocators of capital. And Microsoft's management team, I would say CEO Satya Nadella has been one of the best CEOs of the previous decade. Furthermore, when I look at the valuation of the company, it's trading at a forward PE of 29, which I think is relatively undervalued for Microsoft stock and what the company offers to investors. And then when I looked at the company using my proprietary discounted cash flow model, I calculated that the business is fairly priced at the current market prices. So to answer the question, what do I think about Microsoft for 2026 and beyond? I think anytime you can get an excellent company, and Microsoft is above the excellent rating, Microsoft stock and Microsoft as a company is in the category of Hall of Fame business. And so if you can get a Hall of Fame business at a fair value, I think it's a great deal for investors. So I will be reiterating my buy rating for Microsoft stock for 2026. Click the link below to watch the full video.